How to fix Photoshop crashing or freezing on Windows. 1. Reset Photoshop font cache. To do so, delete the font feature cache and CT font cache folders at /users /left bracket your username /appdata /roaming /adobe Photoshop version. 2. Disable installed PS plugins by pressing the Shift key, then launching your Photoshop. Plan B, delete. The plugins folder at /program files /adobe Photoshop version. 3. Update graphics drivers. Using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Tweak Photoshop permissions. 4.1. Backup current Photoshop preference settings. To do so, backup the Adobe Photoshop version settings folder at /users /left bracket your username /appdata /roaming /adobe Photoshop version. 4.2. Reset Photoshop preferences. 5. Free up RAM on your PC. 6. Increase timeout detection recovery. To do so, set 60 to TDR delay at computer /H key _local _machine /system /current control set /control /graphics drivers in registry. 7. Fix corrupted system files. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online /cleanup image /scan healthdism/online /cleanup image /check healthdism/online /cleanup image /restore health.